Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amma. For those of you who are new, you are welcome back to the channel. So we'll be doing a fiber wig installation. So if you do not know fiber wigs, fiber or fiber hair, they are not human hair basically, and I'll find more information about them and put them on the screen or in the description. So I'll let you know what the fiber hair is and everything about it basically. This is what the client had, and I'm going to do a revamp. So I'm going to be changing the closures. That's what I'll do. So I'll wash, I'll condition, then I will reinstall the hair with a 2x6 closure, machine made closure. So that's what we're doing. So I've already taken off the hair from the wake up, and this is it. At this point I think I had washed it and I was ready to install it. So let's get started, shall we? So this is the 2x6 lace closure. It is machine made. So yeah, so let's get into it. So you first and foremost start with your closure. So secured my enclosure, then I moved to securing my bundles. Yeah.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own a million miles.
So after securing the closure, I move on to the bundles. So I began to hand sew it, and it's pretty simple. You do not have to sew on the band like where I'm sewing. There's an elastic band there. You do not have to sew on it. You could just do a light sewing on top of it. The thread and needle shouldn't pass inside the band to cause the wake up to be tight. And because my client's hair is small, I have adjusted the wake up to her head size. Yes, I've customized it. So it will be sewing till we are done. I decided not to include the washing and conditioning process, so as to make the video shorter so you could watch till the end. So at this point, if you haven't subscribed, please do the needful by hitting the subscribe button below and the notification bell right beside it. so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. And please like the video and share as well. Thank you.
Dancing on the moon, I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't you.
So we are all done. This hair was straightened as well. And yeah, it's so lightweight, very lightweight. I like the outcome. It was looking neat and good and classy. If somebody doesn't tell you it's a fiber wig, there's no way you would know. There's no way you would find out. So yeah, it turned out well as usual. We give you the best here. That's all we do. So yeah, I straightened it and that was it. Flawless, beautiful. And yeah, so if you've made it up to this point, I want to thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please share this video and comment. Let me know what you think and your thoughts on fiber wigs. Would you try them? Do you have them, or you wouldn't try them at all? Let's chat in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my next video. Merry Christmas, guys. Enjoy your Christmas. Bye.